Hello, and welcome to this video on adding devices via direct connection to your MUSE controller. When programming a MUSE system, most devices should be added to the controller prior to beginning programming. This is especially true when programming using Automator, since Automator requires the devices to be connected to the controller in order for it to understand the different commands and controls that can be used for each device. Direct connections are usually done using legacy ICSP devices. Any device that utilizes a URL mode or can be configured to point at a controller can connect in this manner. For this example, we will be utilizing a Varia touch panel to connect to the controller. Access the configuration menu for the panel by pressing the recessed pin button at the top right-hand side of the panel. Enter your panel's password, 1988 by default, and press Next. Press the AMX G5 Control Settings button. Press the Controller option. Click the Change link at the top right. Under Connection Mode, select By URL. This will make the other configuration options available to be changed. Enter in the IP address of your MUSE controller in the Controller IP URL field. Lastly, press the panel's device number field and enter the panel's device number. In this case, we will use 10001. Click the Test Connection button to ensure you have entered everything correctly. If successful, you should see a message saying the panel has connected at the bottom of the screen. Press the Save and Connect button once you are finished with the configuration. To see your device on the MUSE controller, log into your controller and browse to the System Scopes page. Under the Global Scope, expand the list of devices and you will see a device named AMX-10001. This is the device's instance ID. The instance ID is the name that will be referenced in your code or project. All devices that connect to a MUSE controller using the direct connection method will be pre-appended with AMX-. In addition, direct connection devices will always be located under the global scope. Also take note of the green square to the right of the instance ID. In the case of a directly connected device, this means the device has connected to the controller and is communicating with it. That's it for this video. For more news and product information, visit us at our website at amx.com. For troubleshooting tips, FAQs, and code examples, visit our Anytime Help Center at help.harmonpro.com.